Hello guys, hello everybody, welcome to Akal Sehat News. In this video, I would like to explain how to detect any problems in our PC. In your PC, you just press combination Windows and R like this. We use a shortcut how to find the problems regarding to drivers of the PC. This is important. We cannot access anything in the PC if there are problems. You type cmd like this, then enter. In the command prompt, we type def mgmt like this and enter. We can find some problems here. All drivers of the PC will show in this device manager here like that. This is the warning. Other device caution. So we have to fix this problem by use our personal CD drive when we budge the PC like that. So our task is solve this problem, this one caution, also this one caution. Those are the problem of our PC based on our drivers in the PC, and I would like to solve in the next part. Thank you.